Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial. Actually, I'll be giving you an overview of a tool in Cinema 4D, a program you can use to do 3D modeling called the Cloner. Click on MoGraph and click on Cloner just like this. Cloner is a tool used in Cinema 4D so that you can have a 3D object get duplicated and maybe scatter, or you can have them go around a surface of another 3D object. Let's start. Make a cube, for example, and then drag it into Cloner just like this. Click on Cloner. The mode is set on grid mode, which is a mode used to have these cubes go constantly along an axis. For example, we want to make these cubes get duplicated and go constantly along the X and the Z-axis, just like this. Hold on. Increase the size to, let's say, 300 as well, and then set the count for the X-axis to let's say 40, and the Z-axis to 40 as well. There, it's now duplicated like this. Pretty easy to duplicate a cube so that it goes constantly like this. Fancy, isn't it? Let me show you another mode of Cloner. Make a sphere just like this. Set the segments into, let's say, 28, for example. No, a lot of them actually. And then create a smaller sphere just like this. Set the radius so that it's much smaller than the radius of the largest ball or sphere, just like that, and then decrease the radius just like this, and then click on MoGraph and then click on Cloner again just like this, and then drag the smaller sphere into Cloner just like this. Nope, that's the bigger one. The smaller one is this, apparently, just like this. And then click on Cloner again, and then you want to change the mode into object. The object mode is used so that the cloned object, which is the smaller sphere, can go around a surface of a larger object. That's to say, the larger sphere that we're looking at. Click on object just like this, and then drag the larger sphere. Hold on, click on Cloner and then drag the larger sphere into here, the box on the right side of object. You can actually, like, if you set the distribution into surface, the smaller balls or the spheres will go randomly around the surface of this bigger ball. Change the count to, let's say, 15,000. That's that's a lot. 100, for example, and there, 1,000 will do. You have these cubes scattered. Change the seed count so that you can get the scatter mode like you want, just like that. If you change the distribution mode to, let's say, vertex, then the sphere will go around each part of the bigger sphere just like this. And then if you change the distribution mode to edge, see, the smaller sphere, the smaller spheres will touch the edge of each other like this. So if we make the radius much smaller just like this, and then there you go, the bases of the spheres, the smaller spheres, touch with each other like this. You can remove the bigger sphere by right clicking on Cloner and then click on connect objects and delete, just like this, and then delete the larger sphere. There, it's all formed. as an individual shape that's formed by the smaller spheres, just like this. That's it for the overview of Klarna in Cinema 4D. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!